Friends, on the Lover channel today I'll show you how to enable or disable screen auto rotation on your Android phone. Of course, the simplest and most obvious way is to swipe down the notification shade and tap the rotation lock button, or, well, the enable or disable auto rotate button. There you go. But you can also enable or disable it in the settings. To do that, we go into settings. Here we'll need to go into additional settings and accessibility, physical. And here we have screen auto rotation. There it is. It can be toggled off or on here, and it won't affect what we have enabled over there. Yes, there you go. Or like this. So it works like this. If you have a different interface, you can just go to search. It's available in any settings, and type here if you're in English rotation or any other language auto rotate. Yes, so that's just auto rotate. There you go, and there it is. That's all. This was Lover. See you all later.